is Channel 2 News, coverage you can count on.
It penetrates the frame of the house. It's an easy installation.
A new screw could be the secret to keeping your house safe from burglars. But this is not just a normal screw. We will show you as Crime Beat tops Channel 2 News at 5:30. As you know, homeowners are always looking for new ways to protect their homes. This is a new thing. ZZem Screws might be the simplest way to secure your door. Good evening. I'm Ariana Bennett in for Landon Miller tonight.
I'm Kristen Remington. Thanks for keeping it here with us. You know, in 2010, the FBI estimated more than 2 million homes were burglarized, and more than 60% of those burglaries were forced entry.
But there's a product made right here in our community that makes it almost impossible for someone to kick down that door, which of course is a common way for burglars to enter a home. Brandon Foose joins us now live in the newsroom. So Brandon, tell us where this idea came from.
Well, Ari, Reno resident Dean Doherty came up with the idea during his 18-year construction career. He said he's had a bunch of ideas over that time, but chose to pursue this one. That's because it provides protection and is easy for people to install.
There's very little out there to take care of that would be simple and easy to put in.
Most burglaries that are forced entries are through an exterior door, so Dean Doherty created ZZem Screws to make it much more difficult for thieves to break down your door. Doherty says the main purpose of the screws is security, but he actually came up with the idea after fixing so many broken doors during his construction career with what he called toothpicks and glue.
It was never a permanent fix. So I was more after a permanent and easy fix, and this is where I came up with this idea.
At first, what stands out about these screws is the thickness of them, but really what separates them is that they go into the frame of the house. That's what reinforces the door, and that's what earned them the patent.
The hardware will stay intact through the door frame.
Installation is pretty simple. Just drill a hole with the drill bit they provide, screw the ZZem screw through that new hole, then take the original screws or new ones provided, and it'll look just like it did before.
Part of this is it actually uses the same screws that comes with your hardware, so it matches a hardware finish.
Doherty, a military veteran with multiple hearing aids, has been working on the product for about 5 years. ZZem Screws have been on the market for about 2 years, and he's been trying to get it into local stores. He said it's been a long, strenuous learning process, but with some help from Startup NV, he believes the product can take off.
It takes a lot of time and patience and drive, and you just can't give up.
If you'd like to learn more about ZZem Screws, or you'd like to purchase some, just visit our website and click on the blue News Links button. Covering Crime Beat live in the newsroom, Brandon Foose, Channel 2 News.